Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install SetHome plugin on Aternos server. So first of all, what you'll need to do is go to the software right here and install Paper Bucket version. So select the version that you're going to play and click right here on install. Then what you'll need to do is go to the plugins, and right here you'll find the Home plugin. Just type Home, and basically you'll see the SetHome plugin right here. Install the latest version like this, and basically now if you go to the files and plugins, you'll see that you installed the SetHome successfully. Now just the start server and see if that works. And as you can see, if I set my home, let's just type SetHome. As you can see, it says you now have a new home, and if I type home, I will basically go back home. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.